Extra income for teenagers. If you're a teenager looking for some extra income, here are some ideas to consider. 1. Babysitting. Offer your services to friends, family, or neighbors who need a reliable and responsible babysitter. 2. Dog walking or pet sitting. Many people need help with their pets, especially when they're away from home. You can offer your services to pet owners in your community. 3. Lawn care or yard work. Offer your services to people who need help with mowing lawns, raking leaves, or other outdoor tasks. 4. House cleaning. Offer to clean houses for busy families or elderly people who need help with household chores. 5. Tutoring. Offer your services as a tutor in subjects you excel in, such as math, science, or language. 6. Social media management. Many small businesses need help with managing their social media accounts. If you have a knack for social media, this could be a great option. 7. Photography. If you have a talent for photography, consider offering your services for events or taking stock photos to sell online. 8. Online surveys. Many companies pay people to take surveys online. While it may not be a big income, it can be a simple way to earn some extra cash. 9. Yard sales or selling items online. If you have items you no longer need, consider selling them in a yard sale or online marketplace. 10. Freelance writing. If you have a talent for writing, consider offering your services to bloggers or small businesses who need help with content creation. Thank you for watching.